everyone, welcome to Khmer lesson. Are you interested in learning Khmer? If yes, you are in the right place. In this channel, I will teach you Khmer step by step. Whether you are a complete beginner or just want to learn a few Khmer words, this channel is for you. Today, we will learn 5 basic Khmer phrases that Cambodian people use every day. Let's get started. Phrase 1. Susday. Susday means hello. Repeat after me. Susday. One more time. Susday. Susday. Phrase 2. Tumriep Su. Tumriep Su also means hello, but it is more polite and respectful. You can use it when you're speaking to older people, teacher, or someone you respect. Repeat after me. Tumriep Su. Tumriep Su. One more time. Tumriep Su. Phrase 3. Kon. Kon means thank you. Repeat after me. Kon. Kon. One more time. Kon. Phrase 4. Ta nek sok sabai te. This means how you. Ta nek sok sabai te. Repeat after me. Ta nek sok sabai te. One more time. Ta nek sok sabai te. The last phrase. Knyom sok sabai. That means I am fine. You can use this phrase to answer the question how you. Repeat after me. Knyom sok sabai. Knyom means I. Sok sabai means fine. Knyom sok sabai. One more time. Knyom sok sabai. Yes, perfect. Thank you for learning Khmer with me today. If you enjoyed this lesson, follow and subscribe to Khmer lesson for more easy Khmer lessons. See you in next lesson. Bye bye.